it. Tell a friend, tell your uncles, tell your cousins, tell your nieces, your nephews, hey, your aunties, and your grandma, and your enemies, and the people next door. Tell your dog, tell your fish, tell your rabbit, hey. And I see the pretty colors on my canvas. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. What took you so long? So as you can tell already from the title of this video, I am coming back to you with another product review. So today I'm going to be reviewing another eyeshadow palette from Amazon. And let me tell you all, this palette here, Berries, I have fallen in love with this palette. This is one of the most pigmented Amazon palettes that I have ever gotten my hands on. And some people would like to call it the dupe for the Renaissance palette, which I think is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think, y'all. I don't know because I'm not, I don't get high-end products. But anyway, that's beside the point. But this palette here, it is the Berries palette. BYS, I don't know what that stands for. I guess that's maybe the company. But listen, it retails for $12 plus shipping. And if you can get your hands on this baby here and you don't mind doing something that's affordable for you, that'll get you the same results that you will get from a high-end product, this is what you need to be doing, honey. Don't waste your coins. Do not waste your, do you hear me? Don't waste your coins when you can get this palette right here for $12 from Amazon. I would encourage you to do so. Plus, it's great for practice. For those of you who are aspiring makeup artists, or those of you who just are makeup enthusiasts and you like to do makeup for fun, get your hands on this palette. You won't hurt your pockets, but you gonna definitely get yourself a nice beat, honey. You gonna hurt that. You gonna hurt that. I think 12. If I can count, there are 12 colors in the palette. And this is what it looks like. I did have the box. I'm not sure what I did with the box that it came in. The box looks like the outside though. Those of you who shop Amazon, y'all know that. And when you open it up, it comes like this. And there's a mirror right here, so you can actually look at what you're doing while you are doing your makeup. And it came with two little brushes like this, and they both are flat-ended. I don't use them to apply eyeshadow because these are the most ridiculous brushes that I've ever seen. Like, ooh, honey. Anyway, beautiful 12 colors, and it goes with, of course, it has like a nude right there, and it's got your lighter colors. And then it's got those oranges and those pretty berry colors. That's why it's called the Berries palette, because you see all those beautiful blush colors. Y'all, this is... it's so beautiful on my skin, y'all. Like, people say yellow looks good on brown skin. Baby, these berry shades right here, like these oranges and burgundy mauve, whatever you want to call it, these are beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger in this one and I'm gonna show you how pigmented it is. Pigmented. Can you see that, honey? Can you see that? That's one. Let me do this orange for you. Can you see that orange? I hope you can, because if you can't, it's like defeating the purpose of what I'm trying to show y'all. And let me show y'all this glow. This palette, what am I saying? This particular shade right here is called Glow. And baby, they are not lying. I use this for a highlight sometimes, but it is a little lighter for my complexion, so I don't want to look ashy. I just put a little dot on it. Look at that. Do you see that? If you have not already tried out Amazon, don't be afraid to use Amazon for your makeup needs. Like, well, not all of them, but especially for like eyeshadow palettes, for those of you who my voice sounds so terrible. For those of you who don't want to break your pockets, just head on over to Amazon. Comment down below and tell me whether or not you've ever shopped Amazon for any of your makeup needs. Have you ever got any of their brushes, any eyeshadow palettes? What have you gotten? And if you're interested in getting this from Amazon, I want to know. Y'all, talk to your girl. I want to thank y'all so much for watching today, for tuning in. And again, thank you for all the love and support you've given me on all my videos. Thank you so much to my new subscribers who are here. I appreciate you all, and I'm so excited about where this channel is going. So be on the lookout for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, tell a friend, tell your uncles, tell your cousins, tell your nieces, your nephews, hey, your aunties, and your grandma, and your enemies, and the people next door. Tell your dog, tell your fish, tell your rabbit. Hey. Tell them about my channel. Tell them to stop by and see what's going on. And until next time, I will see you later, honeys. Peace and blessings.